Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to see a topic from Unit 16 Microorganism. Before we enter the topic, let us take a quick hint about what are we going to learn in this video. You are going to recall about the types of microorganism, an introduction of fungi, types of fungi, cell structure of yeast, and microscopic view of a yeast cell. How many types are microorganism divided into? Yes, that's right. Microorganism are divided into 5 types. That is virus, bacteria, fungi, algae, and protozoa. So today we are going to see the topic about is a fungi. Let us try to remember what is microorganism. Microorganisms are very minute living things which we cannot see through our direct eyes. These are very small organism which we will see through the microscope only. The size of a microorganism is measured as a micron. In 1 millimeter, there are 1000 microns. Hence, these organisms are called as a microorganism or microbes. Let us learn in detail about the microorganism fungi. Fungi are eukaryotic organism. Eukaryotic means true nucleus or true nuclear material. The organism which has true nuclear material is called as a eukaryotic organism. Fungi is either unicellular or a multicellular organism. The study about fungi is called as mycology. There are about 70,000 species or varieties of fungi in the world. Fungi is divided into 2 types, macroscopic and microscopic. Macroscopic is you can see with your eyes. Microscopic fungi which we cannot see through our eyes and can be seen through microscope only. The example for macroscopic fungi is a mushroom, and the example for microscopic fungi is a yeast. Now we will see about the cell structure of a microscopic fungi, which is a yeast. Yeast microorganism is found freely in the environment. The shape of the yeast is oval. The cell is protected by a covering called a cell wall. The cytoplasm is granular. Granular means solid particle. The cytoplasm is in a solid shape. In cytoplasm there is nucleus, food vacuole, and mitochondria. These are the cell organelle present in the cytoplasm. The yeast microorganism helps in the fermentation process with the help of an enzyme called zymase. The process of respiration in yeast cell is anaerobic, which is the yeast cell respires without oxygen. This is a microscopic view of a fungi yeast cell. This is how yeast cell looks like under the microscope. Let us see what we have learned in this video. In this video, we have learned about the types of microorganism, about fungi and the types of fungi, and the cell structure of yeast, and the microscopic view of a yeast cell. I hope you have all understood today's topic about fungi. In our next video, we will learn about the microorganism called as algae.